You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Hebrew. If you want to learn more correct pronunciations from Hebrew, including from the Bible, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more coming up, meaning dawn in Hebrew. Sometimes it's spelling a little bit differently without the C, but the pronunciation is similar. In Hebrew, Shachar, Shachar. In English is a Shachar or Shachar or Sahar. How do you pronounce it yourself in English? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.